Are you looking for something easy and delicious to make? Let me show you how to make this super easy baked chicken taco recipe. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's new recipe that we're going to be trying out is a chicken baked taco or tacos. I found this on Pinterest. It seems pretty easy to follow and I'm very excited to try it out. It looks delicious, so if you guys are ready, let's get started. Okay, so for your ingredients, what you're gonna need: taco shells, some diced tomatoes, black beans, red onion, chipotle peppers, cheese, and your spices. I am using, I have in here some black pepper, some garlic, some salt, and onion powder. And last but not least, you'll need chicken. Now that we have all of our ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the oven to 375. And we're gonna put all of our ingredients into a baking pan. All right, let's go ahead and put our chicken in this baking dish. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our black beans. We're gonna go ahead and add our tomato. We're gonna add our onion. We're gonna add our spices. And we're gonna go ahead and add our chipotle peppers. And we're gonna give this a good mix so all the spices and everything gets nicely incorporated. All right, now that we have mixed everything together, we're gonna go ahead and pop this into the oven. It's gonna go in the oven for about 55 minutes. Okay, now that it's been about 55 minutes, our chicken is ready to be taken out of the oven. So let's take the chicken out. Now from here, we wanna shred our chicken. I'm just gonna use 2 forks to start shredding my chicken. Okay, and now that we have shredded our chicken, we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken into our taco shells. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my standing taco shells in this pan. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add our chicken to the tacos. Onto our taco shells. Now that we have added our chicken onto our tacos, we're gonna go ahead and add our shredded cheese. I am just using shredded cheese that's already in, that's already been shredded. It's a Mexican blend. You're more than welcome to use fresh cheese and grate it yourself. I'm just gonna, to save some time, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the already shredded cheese. And I don't really have, I'm not really measuring the cheese. I'm just adding the cheese to fill up the taco because we love cheesy tacos. Now that we added our cheese, we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the oven at 375 for about 10 minutes or whenever you see your cheese is nice and melted. So now after about 10 minutes, your cheese should be nice and melted and should look something like this. All right, now that our tacos are done, it's finally time for us to give them a try. So I'm gonna add some salsa to my tacos. And if you wanna learn how to make my salsa, I do have a video on it that you guys can check out. So these tacos are crunchy, cheesy, super delicious, and they were very easy to make. Well, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This recipe was super easy to make. I love that we could just put everything in a baking pan and put it in the oven and we get some delicious baked chicken tacos. I will list all of my ingredients down below as well as the measurements. I will also tag the person of where I found this recipe from. You can go ahead and check them out. They have delicious recipes that you guys can follow. I hope this recipe was easy enough to follow. If I can do it, you guys can do it as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone.